Alright, Malachi Douglas, there's a reason why I select you today as man of the match. A lot of people don't see midfielders and the work that they do in the midfield. I saw you and also Hodges as the two dominant players on the pitch, but for definitely Hodges' minor mistake in the early half, which caused City conceded the goal. Yeah, but definitely Malachi, I see you motivating the players. I do believe that this performance from you was more of a motivating performance rather than even the work on the pitch. Yeah. How you evaluate your team performance today?
Well, honestly, we came out here with the mindset, to get the job done. Yes, and we did that. Going down 1, love, Sorry to get back on this pitch because, it's really wet, like water all over. So sorry to play our style of football, but what we had to do just keep our mind in the game and mostly our heart. And we did that, and thanks be to God, we came home with 2 goals to win the game.
Alright, and well done again, because you guys really work hard for that, coming back from 1 goal. One last question, what was the instruction from the coach at halftime? 1-0 down.
Be patient. He said that first thing, be patient with the ball, it will come. Try to play our system, because our system is passing the ball all over, but that couldn't work today. But he said, ugly win or pretty win, it's a win. So we did that ugly, and thanks be to God for the win.
Alright, Malachi, well done again. Yeah?
Thank you very much.